Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll be discussing how to add an additional column in a NetSuite report. To get started, open the report you want to edit by either clicking on Reports from the main menu or by searching the report name using the global search bar. After opening the report, click the Customize button to modify the report and add columns. Once you are in the Report Builders page, click on the plus icon to expand the list of available fields on the left side of the customization screen. For this video, I'll be adding the date field as an additional column to the report. You'll notice that the field has been added to the rightmost end of the columns in the report layout. You can also edit the column label if needed. You can also use the search filter to quickly find specific fields. If you want to reposition the column, you can simply drag it to your desired location within the column layout. You can see that the field has now been moved to the fourth column position. You can also use the Move Left and Move Right buttons to adjust the position of the column more precisely within the report. You can see that the new columns have now been added, and that's how you add additional columns in a NetSuite report. Thank you for watching.